Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Coding Music Channel where we explore all things technology. Today we're diving into the age-old debate Raspberry Pi versus Arduino. These two devices are giants in the world of DIY tech projects, but they serve completely different purposes. By the end of this video you'll not only know the difference between the two but also why I personally think Raspberry Pi is the better choice for most projects. So, let's get started. Let's start with a quick introduction. The Raspberry Pi is essentially a mini computer. It's like a desktop PC shrunken down into a credit card-sized board. It runs full operating systems like Linux and is perfect for programming, IoT, and even gaming. The Arduino, on the other hand, is a microcontroller, designed to control hardware like sensors, motors, or lights. Unlike the Pi, it doesn't run a full OS. It's built for single-purpose, real-time tasks. Think of the Raspberry Pi as your brain, while the Arduino is more like your hands and feet. When it comes to features, the Raspberry Pi has it all: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB ports, HDMI, and even a slot for external storage like microSD cards. It's incredibly versatile and can handle anything from coding to streaming. Arduino keeps things simple. It doesn't have Wi-Fi or USB ports unless you add external shields. It's designed to control hardware directly, making it great for simple, low-power projects. Here's why I prefer Raspberry Pi: it offers endless possibilities. Whether it's programming in Python, building an IoT device, or experimenting with AI, it's the perfect playground for someone like me who loves coding. Now, let's talk use cases. With a Raspberry Pi, you can do things like setting up a media server, creating smart home devices, or even learning to program. I've personally used it for projects like coding bots and experimenting with IoT. It's amazing. Arduino, however, is better for hardware-specific tasks like building robots or automating lights. It's lightweight, super efficient, and gets the job done when you need simple control. Cost-wise, Arduino is the budget-friendly option, starting at just a few dollars. Raspberry Pi is pricier, but you're essentially getting a full computer for your investment. As for learning curves, Arduino is easier for beginners focused on electronics and hardware. But if you're into programming like me, Raspberry Pi is not just easy to learn. It's an incredible way to explore software development. So, which one should you pick? If you're working on hardware-based projects like robots or automation, Arduino is a fantastic choice. But if you're like me and enjoy coding, building smart systems, or exploring IoT, Raspberry Pi is the ultimate tool. That's why it's my personal favorite. It's like the Swiss Army knife for tech enthusiasts. Let me know your choice in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.